are hiking up to Anna Ruby Falls. We got some beautiful scenes here. Check that. All right, we made it up to Anna Ruby Falls. Check this out. Absolute amazing scene. Beautiful. All right, we are hiking up to Anna Ruby Falls. We got some beautiful scenes here. Check that out. All right, Mia, let's go. You ready? You ready to go? All right, we made it up to Anna Ruby Falls. Check this out. Absolute amazing scene. That is all the way up there. That is amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Uh-huh. Pretty cool. All right, y'all, we are in downtown Helen, Georgia. It is a Bavarian town, as you see here. Check out the cool buildings. It is a pretty cool town here.
How do you even see those?
All right, we are at a local tourist attraction. This is Nora Mills Granary. As you see here, it's an old mill. They got a mill house right here. Pretty cool. They also have a lot of trophy-sized trout that you can feed here. You can see a few there, obviously not in the camera. But this is also a pretty cool area where they used to have an old mill. You can kind of see over there where they had it. Pretty awesome.
Did you say down?